Yeah, this might be like the saddest day of my life. I've used the same computer mouse to edit, play video games, anything on a computer since I was like 10. Like legitimately, like since I was 10, I've been using the same computer mouse, and it completely died on me today. The little laser light isn't working, the mouse, the left button isn't working, which isn't the biggest deal in the world. I have this extra one I had to switch to. It's like really bright yellow, and there's donuts and sharks on the bottom. I'm not sure how I feel about this.
It gets real hot out here in Stockton. It was 105 the other day. Fahrenheit, not Celsius. I think I just hit the mic with my hand.
Look at this mess. I have way too many keys. Okay, so I bought these because I have been wearing my pair a lot, and I really like them. I want to have another fresh pair, even though I already have another fresh pair. Basically what I'm saying is I didn't need to buy these, but I paid $62 for them, and they go for like $180. So I had to buy them. Here's the box. It's a pair of Jordan 1s. Whoever bought them on sale, the blue sticker, so paid $130 apparently. I bought them for $62. I hope you didn't pay $130 and sold for $62. That is not smart business. I've completely trashed my pair. I mean, like, they're getting really dirty. I was painting in them, so there's some, oh wow, I stepped in some gum. Gonna need to clean that gum off. So I decided to pick up a brand, oh wow. Look at the difference. Look at the difference in these. Jeez, I mean, these still look pretty good, honestly, in my mind. People are like, Tom, stop wearing these, they're bagged, they're terrible, no, these are sick. The dirtier and more messed up these get, honestly, the more I like them. So now I have another fresh pair. I think that means I have 3 pairs of these. Do I need, no, I don't need them at all. And to be 100% realistic with you guys, I'm going to keep wearing these because they look so sick. And you guys can keep on hating on me for wearing beat up Jordan 1s if you want, but you're not gonna change my mind. These things are the best. Okay, we're gonna put this thing to the test today. According to my phone, it says it's a 7-minute walk to Livestock. 7 minutes, 500 meters. So we're turning on the stopwatch. I think we can probably get there in like 3.5. Time is 3 minutes 11 seconds. Sick. Yeah, this is officially the best thing I've ever spent money on in my life. This is why you go to Livestock. I just got Adidas Icecream. If you guys want Adidas Icecream, they're launching it tomorrow. So I mean, come get iced. It's like Ultraboost pistachio. This is sick. Okay, so apparently this ice cream flavor is supposed to match the Ultraboost, I guess. Cool. Oh wow, Air Max 2. These are, I've never seen these in my life before. I really like these colorways. Wow. And this, the Vapor Street Fly, whatever the heck you call it, these are so, oh, I haven't seen these either. This is why you come to Livestock. It's great. You get ice cream, you get sneakers, you get just, it's just a good time. Come to Livestock. Okay, just being 1,000,000% honest with you, I may or may not have been riding this around all morning. It is so fun. It is the best invention ever. I'll say it once, I'll say it again. You guys will probably get so sick of me talking about it, except like once you get on this thing, you just can't get off. Buy a boosted board. Seriously, if you have $1,000, don't buy some nice shoes. Don't buy a new, okay, maybe buy a new laptop, that could be useful. But then if you have an extra $1,000 after the laptop, buy a boosted board.
We'll keep that. Yeah. That's natural, you know what I'm saying? That's what happens. Things happen.
Okay, word on the street, or I mean more specifically word on Instagram stories. Eric just got like so many new pairs of shoes in at Friday nights, and I'm really jealous because I want like all of these, and I own like almost none of them. We're just gonna go check them out, and I'm so jealous. I heard you got new shoes.
Well, how'd you hear that already?
It's on your Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're doing these rapid fire because there are a lot of these zebras. What size are these?
10.5.
10.5. If you want zebras, I already have like 4 pairs of zebras, so I don't want those. Black Air Max 97s. These are pretty cool. What size are these?
10.5.
10.5.
All 10.5. It's so weird.
Okay, they're all 10.5. They're not even from the same people, and they're all 10.5?
All just 10.5.
That's so random. You have Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97 ones, which are freaking sick. Worn very slightly, pretty much dead stock condition. I want these, except they're like $1,400 Canadian, and I don't want to spend $1,400 Canadian on these. You have some cream whites. Shout out to Kanye hooking up all the Ugandan kids with these. That was pretty cool. If you're gonna give people that live in a village with dirt road shoes, though, just don't give them these. Any other shoe besides these. Come on, Kanye. I mean, it's still good that you gave them shoes, but these. Which ones are these? Are these the 2001s?
Yeah. Oh, no, those are the 16s. I got
these are the, no, these aren't the 2016s. These are like the 2006 or 7s in the DMP pack.
Yeah.
So like 2006, 2007, whenever these came out, we have some Maestro Kobe's, but then this is what I came here for. Oh my, what size are these? Please don't say 10.5.
10.
10.
Yeah.
I want these so bad. These are, this is my favorite pair of shoes ever. Like honestly ever. The Jordan 1 2001s. I would say the originals, except they're so old by now that you can't really wear them and they're stupid expensive. Bang for your buck, 2001. The leather's amazing. I love how there's just a little bit of gloss. Wow. Nike Air on the tongue. Awesome. Size 10 at Friday night. I'm so jealous. I just really want these. I'm probably never gonna get them. Just to fill you in with a little bit of backstory, this is actually the first time I'm having these in hand ever. I forgot to mention that when I was talking because I was so excited, but Jordan Brand officially blew my mind today. Like, they blew my mind. These are so nice. So those are all the new sneakers that they got today. Wow, I wish I could get this many pairs of sneakers in one day. The Jordan 1 Breds, newest Jordan 1s that we have in here, or not we, that Eric has in here, but Winnipeg is a collective. I mean, this is the only place you can buy cool sneakers, really. I want those Jordan 1s so bad. Oh, that was so awesome to see those shoes, the Witherspoons, the Jordan 1s, the DMPs, and the 2001s, but especially the 2001s. If you guys live in Winnipeg, or even if you're interested and you're outside of Winnipeg, go on FridayNightsClothing.com or FridayNights.com or .ca. I honestly forget their website. Just go on their Instagram page. They have a link to their website, Friday Nights. You guys, wow, so many dope shoes in there, and it's always nice to go in there. Check it out. Awesome store. Awesome Jordan 1s from 2001. I need those in my collection. And until then, I'll just have to stick with the 2016s. But do you see what I mean? Like, the 2001s just look better. They look older, because I mean, they're older, but the shine on the leather, I love how smooth the leather is. The swoosh and the toe box aren't tumbled on the 2001s like they are on this pair. Reportedly, we are going to be seeing the Jordan 1 Breds come out again on Black Friday, and assuming that's true, I really hope they do it like the 2001s. I'm not sure how close the 2001s are to the original, but I really don't care. That's my favorite version of them. That's my favorite iteration of the Jordan 1, and that's the one I would like to see come back. I would be so happy. I'm planning on grabbing 3 or 4 pairs of those and legitimately like just selling a bunch of my other shoes, because I would be so happy to wear like these and Yin Yang Jordan 1s and like some other simple Jordan 1s pretty much every day. I don't care about having a million shoes. I like checking them out. I love sharing them with you guys, but it's just a pain in the ass to have that many shoes, always choosing what pair to wear, always cleaning them. They take up so much space. You guys know what I'm saying, but I really hope the 2019 Black Friday pair is very similar to the 2001s, because I will be happy. Wow, I've never seen those in person before. Just mind blown. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I am exhausted. We've been working all week on a huge project that I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys tomorrow. So if you're still watching at this point in the video, comment "I'm excited for tomorrow" down in the comment section below, just so we can spread the word to all the people that there's something big coming tomorrow, because there's something huge coming tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. I need to get working. I need to take a nap. Oh my goodness, we have so much to do before you guys see what's happening tomorrow. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, peace.
It gets real hot out here in Stockton. It was 105 the other day. Fahrenheit, not Celsius. I think I just hit the mic with my hand. We'll keep that. That's natural, you know what I'm saying? That's what happens. Things happen.